So multiplication, you should have the factors 36. Adding or subtracting, it should give you 16y. This will be varying from what? Horizontal line, if I draw 0 to 3 only. This is the area under the line. This is the area under the parabola. Any point you can take it as x1, y1. Any point you can take it as x2, y2. Here starting point only x1, y1, and this is a point x2, y2 I am taking. If you apply y is equal to 3 by 2, this term whole weight will become 0. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In the last session, we have learnt many problems on applications of integrals. In today's session, dear students, and here we are having session number 3, which is the last session of this chapter, have applications of integrals. And here I am solving some problems of 8.2 exercise. Now let us move on to a area between two curves. Area between two curves, it can be a two circles, it can be a triangle, it can be a parabola and a line like that. Okay, that is called area between two curves. Now let us move on to the first problem. What they have asked: find the area of the circle 4x squared plus 4y squared is equals to 9, which is interior to the parabola x squared is equals to 4y. So here they have given which is interior to the parabola. So here you can have, if you take 4 to that side, it will become x squared by given circle. Given circle is what? Given circle is x square plus y squared. If you divide throughout by 4, it will be 9 by 4. This 9 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 whole squared, which is 3 by 2 is a radius of the circle. So let us draw that circle, which is nothing but the 3 by 2. Okay. So this is a circle you are having, which is the area of 3 by 2. Now here I am having which is 0, 3 by 2. And here 0, minus 3 by 2, and here 3 by 2, 0, and then here minus 3 by 2, 0. Correct. This is a circle which they have given, which is interior to the parabola x squared is equals to 4y. So here x squared is equal to 4y. It is a parabola along the positive y-axis. So therefore you can have a parabola which is interior to this. This is a parabola you are having which is along the y-axis. So this point of intersection I need to find out. Let me find out by using what? Solving the equation. So this is what a circle you can have, which is x squared plus y squared is equal to 3 by 2 whole square, and this is a parabola along the y-axis, x squared is equal to 4y. So given parabola along positive y-axis, that is x square is equal to 4y. Now take the equation whatever, like 4x squared plus 4y squared is equal to 9, and substitute x squared equal to 4y, so that we are going to get the values of y there. Substitute back to the equation, you are going to get the x value, so that we will be getting the point of intersection of that. Okay. So this area only you need to find out. Okay. The area between the circle and a parabola, that's it. This area you need to find out. Got? Now here let us solve the equation by substituting x squared equal to 4ay. So 4 into 4y plus 4y squared is equal to 9. Now let us multiply this one. 4 4s are 16. Let us bring 9 to this side. So first I am writing 4y squared plus 4 4s are 16y. Again, if you bring 9 to this side, it will become minus 9. So this is the equation. Now if you multiply, 9 4s are 36. So multiplication, you should have the factors 36. Adding or subtracting, it should give you 16y. So which are all the factors you can have? 18 2s are, which is 36. 18 minus 2 is nothing but 16. So therefore we can expand accordingly. 4y squared plus 18y minus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. You can take here 2y common factor. If you take 2y common factor, remaining is 2y plus 9. Correct? Because 2 9s are 18y. Again minus 1 you can take common. So remaining is 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. So you can take 2y plus 9, 2y plus 9 equal to 0. So y will be is equal to minus 9 by 2. So you can reject this value, dear students, because if you put minus 9 by 2, here you are going to get it as 9 2s are 18, which is minus 18, which cannot be. So x squared is equal to minus 18 means it is a complex number, which is not possible. So I am going to reject that value. So let me take this one, 2i minus 1 equal to 0. So y will be is equal to 1 by 2. Now substituting y is equals to 1 by 2, let us find out the x value. So therefore, I am taking here x squared equal to 4y. When y is equal to 1 by 2, x squared is equal to 4 into 1 by 2, which is 2. So x will be is equal to plus or minus root 2. So when x is equal to root 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. When x is equals to minus root 2, y is nothing but 1 by 2. So therefore, the point of intersection will be here. You can have when x is equal to root 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, and then when x is equal to minus root 2, because it is a negative x-axis, y is 1 by 2. So this is a point of intersection. Now I can find out the area of this. You can take, so this is what the origin you can have, and this is a point of B you can have, right? And then C, okay, and then this is what you can have, join these 2 points, which is nothing but D here, right? So you can find out here, see, this area will be equal to this area. So 2 times of this area is equal to this area. So therefore, if I find out this area, double multiplication of this gives you the whole area of whatever the curve of the parabola and circle are merging each other, right? So here let me take accordingly, but I want to minus this area. So therefore, I can take it as this is what M, okay, the point of intersection, and here I am going to draw the perpendicular, which is nothing but N you can have. So you can find out first area of OBM by taking this origin. Origin means it will be having 0, 0, correct? So therefore, from 0 to, you can write it as, what is that? Root 2, correct na? So 0 to root 2, what is that? Area of OBM, then we'll minus this one. See, area of OBM plus area of MBC gives you the whole area, but I do not want this area. If I do not want this area, I have to minus from that one. So I have to minus from that one means I need to find out that area also, okay? So let us find out first what it is, area of OBM, right? So you can find out the area of OBM is nothing but area between the parabola and the y-axis. So you can have from 0 to, what is that, half, correct? So 0 to half you can have, which will be is equal to, so step 1 you can take it as, so finding area of OBM. Now finding the area of OBM, see dears, you can take it here along the y-axis. Along the y-axis means from 0 to half you can take it as OBM, right? So OBM if you are finding, so you can have, which will be giving you integral y will be varying from 0 to half x into dy. Okay, here I am drawing the horizontal line. Horizontal means x into dy. Vertical line means y into dx, right? So x is nothing but you can have x is equal to 4y. So under the root 4 means 2. Under the root y you can take it as x will be converting as, which implies y will be varying from 0 to half. X can be written as what? X is under the root 4. Under the root 4 is 2. Again under the root y into dy. So you can find out this by taking what? 2 outside. So y to the power of 1 by 2 you can write into dy. So y will be varying from 0 to half. So which implies that 2 into y to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Correct? From the limit y will be varying from 0 to half. So this will become 2 times of y to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1. Here 3 by 2 because 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by 2, when 3 by 2 goes to the numerator, 2 by 3. So I am multiplying 2 divided by 3. From the limit where y will be varying from 0 to half. Now let us apply the limit there. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 by 3. Now applying the upper limit as y as 1 by 2. So you are having 1 by 2 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 minus, applying the upper limit gives you this value. Now applying the lower limit, 0 power anything will be 0 as it is, which implies that 4 by 3 into half to the power of 1 by 2 means under the root 1 by 2, correct, into half minus 0 as it is. Now 2 ones are 2 2s are, so therefore you can have under the root 1 by 2 is nothing but what, root 1 divided by root 2. So you can have 2 divided by 3 root 2. Again you can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2, this root 2 will get cancelled, remaining is root 2 divided by 3. And this is what area of OBM. Now you can find out similarly, see, observe carefully the diagram. So now you have found out what area of OBM. Now let us find out area of MBC, correct, area of MBC. So area of MBC. So which implies that you can have, so which will be varying from, so here if you find out area of MBC, which is the area between the circle and a parabola, correct. So a circle and a parabola means you can take the horizontal line, y will be varying from what, half to 3 by 2. So half to 3 by 2 I am taking, so which implies that, so area will be varying from y will be is equal to half to 3 by 2. So area between the circle you can have. So what is a circle? Circle they have given like this. So I need to convert it to, what is that, as x into dy, correct, x into dy. So I need to convert for the x. If I converting for the x, I can write it as, so this will be is equal to, see, you can have x is equal to, see here only, under the square root of 9 by 4 minus y squared, correct. 9 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 whole squared. That's what I am substituting here. So which implies that you can have y will be varying from 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. So under the root of 3 by 2 whole squared minus y squared into dy. Now this will look like what, a squared minus x squared. The formula is nothing but as it is x by 2, x replaces y. So that is y by 2 into under the root of what, 3 by 2 whole squared minus y squared. So plus a squared divided by 2, a squared is nothing but 3 by 2. So therefore 3 by, that is 3 squared divided by 2 squared into 2 into sine inverse of x by a, that is y divided by a means 3 by 2. So 2 will go to the numerator, 3 will come to here. So from the limit y are applying, y will be varying from half to 3 by 2. Now apply the upper limit first as 3 by 2. If you apply y is equal to 3 by 2, this term whole it will become 0 because square root of 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 2 whole square, 0 into anything will be 0. Applying the upper limit for the first term, it will be 0. Let us see the second term what happens. So if you apply here y is equal to 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 2 by 3 will get cancelled. Remaining is what? So 3 squared, that is 9 divided by 2 squared is nothing but what? 4 into 2 which is 8 into sine inverse of 1, correct? Sine inverse of 1. Again applying the lower limit, open the minus symbol. So if you apply the lower limit as 1 by 2, so you are going to get it as 1 by 2 into under the square root of 3 by 2 whole squared, 3 by 2 whole squared minus 1 by 2 whole squared. So plus 3 squared, that is 9 by 8, you can have sine inverse of, so if you compare here 1 by 2 substitute, 2 will get cancelled. So remaining is nothing but sine inverse of 2 will get cancelled, remaining as 1 by 3, sine inverse of 1 by 3. So 9 by 8 into sine inverse of 1 is nothing but what? Sine pi by 2. So which can be written as pi by 2 minus let us multiply half into, so this will become 3 squared divided by 2 squared under the root of what? If you take LCM, it has 4 here, so here 9 minus 1. So what is 9 minus 1? Under the root 8. Under the root 8 divided by under the root 4, which will become root 8 divided by root 4 is 2. So again, minus into plus is minus 9 by 8, sine inverse of 1 by 3 as it is I am writing. Okay, 1 divided by 3. Now here you can have, so here 8 can be written as what? 9 by 8 into pi by 2 minus half. This can be written as 2 4s are 8, which is 2 root 2 divided by 2. So minus 9 by 8 into sine inverse of 1 by 3. Now here you can cancel this 2 along with this 2. So this can be written as root 2 into root 2. Again, root 2 will get cancelled. Remaining is this only. What is root 2? 9 by 8 into pi by 2. Here root 2 into root 2, 1 root 2 will be getting cancelled. Minus root 2 minus 9 by 8 into sine inverse of minus 1 by 3. Minus 9 by 8 sine inverse of 1 by 3. Right? So this is what area of MBC. Now I want here, you can observe in the diagram, I want to minus this area. Therefore, I can observe here area of ONBC. Correct? ONBC is equals to area of this plus area of this minus area of this. Right? I need to find out that area now. Now, you can observe in the diagram, not required this area only. Already we have found out along the y-axis what? Area of OBM plus area of MBC. Now, what is that area of this? 2 times of this one. Because why? I want to find out this area also. Double time of this one will give you whole area. Therefore, whole area will be equal to, I can find out that. So, area of OBCO, correct? So will be is equal to 2 times of area of OBM plus area of what we have found out? We have found out that area of MBC. So let us calculate this. 2 times of area of OBM we have calculated, which is equals to root 2 by 3. So which is root 2 divided by 3 plus, you can calculate this. So we have calculated already this. Let us substitute that. 9 by 8 into pi by 2 minus root 2 minus 9 by 8 into sine inverse of 1 by 3. And this is your answer. You can write, otherwise you can simplify that one. That's it. Okay. I hope you understood this method. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem what they've asked. Now here, find the area bounded by the curves x minus 1 whole squared plus y squared is equals to 1 and x squared plus y squared is equals to 1. Here they have given, this is a circle with the center as 0, 0 and this is a circle with the center as 1, 0, correct? Because this is in the form of x minus a whole squared plus y minus b whole squared, where a and b are the center of the circle. Here also x minus a, y minus b, where a and b are nothing but the origin. So therefore, let me take it as x squared plus y squared is equal to 1 is a circle 1 with center as 0, with center as origin and radius what it is, and radius how many? 1 squared, means radius 1 unit, correct? And 1. So next circle they have given x minus 1 whole squared plus y squared is equal to 1 is a second circle, okay, with center as 1, 0 and radius as 1, correct? Radius as 1. So let us draw the diagram accordingly. So you can have, so this is what the circle I am drawing with the center as 0, 0. So 0, 0 and radius is equal to 1, 0. Now another circle I am drawing that with center as 1, 0. So here So center will be 1, 0. Okay. You can observe which I have extended. So 1, 0 and radius as 1 unit. Got? So red color is the first circle and then the other color which I have drawn, it is a second circle. Got? So I need to find out here the point of intersection. So I need to find out this area only. So this is what the area I have to find out. Got? So I can draw the lines. So here this is a point of intersection. First let us find out the point of intersection by solving the equations whichever they have given. So here given equation is this one, x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. So let me take it as x squared is equal to 1 minus y squared or y squared is equal to 1 minus x squared. Here I am substituting y squared is equal to 1 minus x squared. So x is minus 1 whole squared plus y squared I am substituting from the first 1 minus x squared is equal to 1. Now you can solve this equation. So which will become x squared plus 1 squared minus 2x plus 1 minus x squared minus 1 equal to 0. Now here negative positive will get cancelled and then 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So remaining is minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Otherwise 2x is equals to 1 or x is equals to 1 by 2. Whenever x is equals to 1 by 2, I can get the y point by taking y is equal to under the root of 1 minus x squared. So which will become under the root of 1 minus 1 by 2 whole squared. If you take LCM as 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3 under the root divided by under the 4 which is nothing but root 3 divided by 2. So you can have plus or minus root 3 divided by 2, right? So this is nothing but half comma 0, right? Because half of that circle. So point of intersection when x is equal to half, y is root 3 by 2. When x is equal to half comma root 3 by 2, this is what this point, and this is half and then minus 3 minus what is that? Root 3 divided by 2. Correct? Negative. So that's it. Point of the intersection you can find out. Now I want this area to be find out. Now if I want to find out this area, I can take x varying from what? 0 to half and then half to 1. Correct? Now, if I want to find out this area, I am taking the vertical line, I am taking the x-axis 0 to half and then half to 1. So, if I am taking 0 to half, which circle it is? Blue circle. Blue circle is a second circle. And then half to 1. Half to 1, which circle it is? It is a red circle. Red circle is nothing but the first circle. Correct? So, therefore, accordingly, I can take it as area of this one. If I am going to give the name as, this is a 0 and this is a point as A and this is a point as B and then this is a point as D. Okay. So if I am going to take it as ODB, correct? ODB, if I am taking 0 to half. 0 to half is nothing but the second circle. How many times I have to find out? 2 times, because this similar to the same area. So 2 times I need to find out. Therefore, so area of what is that? If I am going to take this one as E, OECB is nothing but 2 times of area 2 times of area of ODB plus area of see DAB. Got? So first let us find out ODB area, which is a second circle area. So area of ODB is nothing but x will be varying from 0 to half, second circle, which is having this one, second equation. Y into dx, that is the second circle. For your reference I am putting here. So and then plus you can have plus area of what is that? DAB you can have plus x will be varying from half to 1. So y into dx of first circle, okay? This I am taking, which implies that you can have x will be varying from 0 to half. I need to convert into y as the second circle. So y will be is equal to under the root of 1 minus x minus 1 whole squared. So under the root of 1 minus x minus 1 whole squared into dx plus integral. Now I need to convert into y again the first circle. First circle if I convert into y is equal to, here only I have written under the root of 1 minus x squared. So under the root of 1 minus x squared into dx. Now this will look like a squared minus x squared, which is x by 2, x replaces x minus 1 divided by 2 under the root of 1 minus x minus 1 whole squared plus a divided by 2, a replaces a squared by 2 replaces 1, which is 1 by 2 into sine inverse of x replaces x minus 1, a replaces 1, x minus 1 divided by 1 is x minus 1 only. So similarly, here I forgot, x will be varying from what? Half to 1, okay? Half to 1. Now this is also same formula you can have, plus a squared minus x squared, which implies that x by 2 into under the root of a squared minus x squared plus a squared by 2, which is 1 divided by 2 sine inverse of x by 1, which is x. So from the limit what? X will be varying from half to 1, but this is a limit what? X will be varying from 0 to half. Now let us apply the limit first here, half. If I apply the limit, which implies that, see here, half minus 1. Half minus 1 is always minus 1. Minus 1 whole squared is plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So if I apply the upper limit here, it will be 0. Let us apply for this one. So half into sine inverse of half minus 1, which is sine inverse of half minus 1 is minus half, correct? This is what the upper limit. Now applying the lower limit, as x is equal to 0, 0 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. Here you are having 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 whole squared. 1 minus 1 again, correct? 1 minus 1 again 0. So applying the lower limit, this also will become 0. Upper limit also 0. Lower limit also applying here 0. Minus 0. Again apply the lower limit here. If you apply the lower limit, plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So this is over. Now coming to this part. Now applying the upper limit, plus 1 by 2 into under the root of 1 minus 1, which will become 0. So plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of minus 1. Sine inverse of 1, because x is equals to 1, again minus, open the bracket, applying the lower limit, 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. Here again 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 2 whole squared. 1 by 2 whole squared is 1 by 4. So it will become 4 minus 1, which is 3 by 4, root 3 by 2. So you can have 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2 plus half into sine inverse of 1 by 2. Now applying the lower limit is also over. Now let us simplify this one. Anyway, this is 0. This is also 0. Correct? Now here this is also 0. Half into sine inverse of minus half. Sine inverse of minus half is nothing but minus sine inverse of half. So which will become minus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of half. So which will be giving you sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is nothing but what you are getting? Pi by 6. So minus half into pi by 6. Again minus, here minus into plus is minus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of minus 1. So minus into minus is again plus. So which will become sine inverse of minus 1 is minus sine inverse 1. Minus into minus is which become plus sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So pi by 2. Again applying this one. See, plus half into sine inverse of 1, again pi by 2. Pi by 2. Again here minus into plus is minus, which will be root 3 divided by 8. Correct? Because 4 2s are 8. Again minus into plus is minus. So sine inverse of 1 by 2 again, which is pi by 2. Minus half into pi by 2. So your plus half pi by 2 minus half pi by 2 will get cancelled. You are going to remain with the answer, which implies that minus half into pi by 6 plus 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus root 3 by 8. Okay, you need to multiply for this 2 times because you are having area of this one will be is equal to 2 times. Let us multiply directly, which will be into 2. Correct? So which implies that you can simplify this one. If you simplify, you can take it as minus half, which is minus pi by 12 plus pi by 4 minus root 3 by 8 into 2. Correct? So you are going to get the answer as this is nothing but 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2 square units. Okay? So this is your final answer. You are going to get it as for this question. I hope you understood this cancellation. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to x squared plus 2 and y is equal to x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 3. Here they have given y is equal to x squared plus 2 means y is equal to x squared is a parabola along the x squared is equal to y plus 2 means above 2 units you are going to get it as, right? So therefore, so let us draw the diagram. Here they have given x squared is equal to y minus 2 is a parabola along y axis so above the origin 2 units at a distance of 2 units you can take it as. And y is equal to x. What is this? It is a line, correct? Y is equal to x is a line passing through origin. How? If you give x equal to 0, y is 0. X equal to 1, y is 1. X equal to 2, y is 2. Coming to the negative value, x equal to minus 1, y is minus 1. X equal to minus 2, y is minus 2. So it is a line passing through the origin. So passing through origin. Okay. So next they have given x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 3 are lines parallel to y-axis. Okay. So let us draw the diagram. So this is what the diagram I can have. This is above origin, which is a 2 units. You can draw the parabola, which is you have y is equal to x squared plus 2 is equals to y, or y is equal x squared is equal to y minus 2. So and then you are having this is a line which is passing through the origin, y is equals to x. Okay. Now you have to have x is equals to 0, this is a line, and x is equals to 3. Somewhere it will come here, x is equals to 3. So this is x is equals to 3, which is a line. You need to find out area between the line and a parabola, between a given line and a parabola. Now this is what the origin you can have, correct? 0, and this is what 0, 2, correct? Because this is a above 2 units. OA, you can have this is C, and then this is B. Okay. So area of, you can take this point as D, right? Now you can have, I want to minus this area because I want to find out only the area of OABC, correct? So area of OABC can be written as, what is that? Area of ODBC is equal to area of OABC minus, what is that? Area of OAD, correct? Area of OAD. So x will be varying from what? Horizontal line. If I draw 0 to 3 only, this is the area under the line, this is the area under the parabola. So therefore I can write it as area of so ODABC ODABC can be written as area of what is that? Area of OABC minus area of which I have to minus? Area of OAD. I hope you understood from the diagram. Now here area of OABC is nothing but area of OABC. See, x will be varying from what? 0 to 3, correct? 0 to 3, OABC. Area under the parabola, correct? So let me write that. This is area under parabola. Minus area under the line. Or area below parabola minus area below the line. So which implies that you can have x will be varying from 0 to 3 y into dx, which is a parabola, minus x will be varying from 0 to 3 y into dx, which is a line. Now parabola, what is a y? X will be varying from 0 to 3. See, which is a parabola? This is a parabola. You can convert. Y will be is equal to x squared plus 2. So x squared plus 2 into dx minus area under the line. Line what they have given? Y is equal to x. So you can substitute x into dx. That's it. X will be varying from 0 to 3. Now you can simplify this one. X squared into dx is nothing but what? X cube divided by 3. Anyway, both the limits are same. I can combine. Plus 2 into x minus x squared divided by 2. From the limit, x will be varying from 0 to 3. Now let us apply the limit. What happens? Apply upper limit first. So which is 3 cube divided by 3. So plus 2 into 3 minus 3 square divided by 2 minus, open the bracket, apply the upper limit. If you apply the upper limit, that is the answer. If you apply the lower limit, all 0. So which is nothing but 0 is the lower limit. Now we can cancel this one. 3 will get cancelled. Remaining is nothing but 3 squared, which is 9. Let me write that one if you want. So 2 into 3 as it is minus 3 squared divided by 2. Let us simplify this also. You are going to get it as 3 squared is nothing but 9 plus 2 3s is nothing but 6. 3 squared is nothing but again 9 minus 9 by 2. Now you can have 9 plus 6 is 15 minus 9 by 2. Now you can simplify this. 15 2s are, which is nothing but 30. 30 minus 9, it will be giving you 21 divided by 2. So square units. That's it, the answer for this question. Okay, I hope you understood this one also. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. This is what they have asked one time in your examination. Using the integration, find the area. This is very important step. Using the integration, find the area of the region bounded by the triangle whose vertices are minus 1, 0, 1, 3 and then 3, 2. Let me draw this triangle here. This is what you are having. So let me take it as this is 0 and here it is 1, 2 and then 3. Here also 1, 2 and then 3. Here it is nothing but minus 1. Here again minus 1 because here they have given only the minus 1. So till there I am drawing. Now minus 1, 0. So minus 1, 0, here it is a point you are going to get it as, right? Minus 1, 0. Next you are having, so minus 1, 0. Here it is I am writing minus 1, 0. Correct? So this is a point. Let me take it as what is this A. And then you are having 1, 3. 1, 3 means here it is 1, 3. So this is a point you are getting 1, 3. Let me write it as B of 1, 3. And then C of 3, 2. So C of 3, 2. So this is what you are getting 3, 2 here. Correct? So C of 3, 2. Let us join these points. If I join this point, I am going to get the triangle. Correct? So this is what the triangle I am getting. Now I have to find out the area of the triangle. That means which I am drawing in other color. This area I need to find out. Okay. So I can draw the perpendicular here. See, I am drawing the perpendicular. So if I am going to draw the perpendicular, here it is nothing but 1 comma, here it is nothing but 2.5 something you are having, correct? So I want to find out this area, means I have to minus this whole area, correct? I have to minus that whole area. What is that area? Area which is the line AB plus BC minus AC, correct? The area of a line AB plus line BC below the line AC minus, we need to do it as. So therefore, let me find out the equation first. Area of, what is the equation of AB, correct? So first equation of AB. What is the equation of AB? Equation of AB is nothing but you can have 2-point form. First I am going to write the 2-point form here, that is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Any point you can take it as x1 y1, any point you can take it as x2 y2. Here starting point only x1 y1 and this is a point x2 y2 I am taking. So according to the formula, if you do it, so y minus y1 is nothing but here 0 divided by x minus x1 is nothing but minus 1, which will become plus 1 is equal to y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0, which is 3 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus 1, 1 plus 1. So let us solve this equation. Y minus 0 is nothing but y. So here divided by x plus 1 is equal to 3 divided by 2. Cross multiply this one, you are going to get it as, which implies y will be is equal to 3 by 2 into x plus 1, correct? So this is the equation of what? Equation of AB, the line AB. Similarly, let us find the equation of BC. Equation of BC. Same formula we are using, but taking this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Otherwise, you can take this one only x2 y2 or this is as x1 y1. Okay, equation of BC. So y minus y1, y minus y1 is nothing but what? X1 y1, 3 divided by x minus x1, which is nothing but 1, is equal to y2 minus y1, 2 minus 3 divided by x2 minus x1, which is 3 minus 1. Let us solve this one. You are going to get it as y minus 3 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. So therefore, you are going to get the equation y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. Otherwise, you can have y will be is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 plus 3, correct? So this is equation 2. Let me call it as equation of BC and this is the equation 1. Now what is that? I do not want AC. AC means minus, correct? So therefore, let me find out similarly equation of AC. So if I find out equation of AC, I can take this as CA or AC, x1 y1 and x2 y2. That is x1 y1 is minus 1 comma 0, x2 y2 is 3 comma 2. So let me use the formula. So y minus y1 is nothing but 0 divided by x minus x1 is 1 is equal to y2 minus y1. See here, 2 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1, which is 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1. So 3 plus 1. We can solve further. Y divided by x plus 1 is equal to 2 divided by 4, which is 1 by 2. So y will be is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1. So let me call this equation 3, which is a equation of AC. Now what is that? AB plus BC minus AC, you have to do it. So therefore, so area of triangle ABC, which is area of line AB plus area of line BC minus area under the line below the line. What is that? AC. Correct. So area of the line AB, I am going to take the vertical line. Vertical line means I am varying from minus 1 to 1 because it is a x. Okay. Y into dx. I am varying from x, so that only I have converted everything as y. So area which will be is equal to what? X will be varying from -1 to 1, y into dx. Area of AB what? Equation of AB, which is 3 by 2 into x plus 1 plus area, which is nothing but it will be varying from 1 to 3, correct? So 1 to 3, area of BC. BC equation is what? That is the BC equation, that is -half into x minus 1 plus 3 into dx. Okay, this is also into dx. Into dx plus minus area. X will be varying from what? Be careful, you are minusing from C to A. See here, A to C, if you are minusing, -1 to 3 you are going to take it as, right? So you are going to take it as, what is that? Not from 3 to 1, -1 to 3. You are moving like this. Got? So -1 to 3. So what is that? Equation of a line AC, which is half into x plus 1 into dx. Now let us simplify this one. So you can take 3 by 2 as a common. Here 3 by 2 as a outside constant. X into dx is x squared divided by 2 plus 1 into dx is x from the limit -1 to 1. So I am doing the simplification here. -half into x, minus into minus is plus half plus 3. Half plus 3 is nothing but 2 3s are 6. So 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. So therefore I can take it as -half into x squared divided by 2. Minus into here, minus into minus is plus 7 by 2 into x. So from the limit, x will be varying from 1 to 3. So minus, I can have here half into x, which is half into x squared divided by 2 plus 1 into dx is x from the limit -1 to 3. Now apply the upper limit first and the lower limit. Now if you apply the upper limit here, so 3 by 2 into 1 square divided by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1, okay, minus applying the lower limit, -1 square divided by 2 is 1 divided by 2 minus 1, okay. Now this is over by 3 by 2. Now minus, again you can multiply here. So half into 3 square divided by 2, 7 into 3 divided by 2 minus, open the bracket, lower limit, minus half into x squared, which is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Again minus 1 by 2 into, if you apply the upper limit, it will be 1 by 2, which is 3 square divided by 2 plus 3. Again minus, you can apply the lower limit, minus 1 by 2 into x squared, that is -1 squared is 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Okay, right. Now let us simplify this one. So here you can have, so 3 by 2 into, open the bracket, half plus 1. So if you multiply minus sign, plus half and minus half will get cancelled. Now you are having 1 plus 1, which is 2. This is over, minus, again here you can have half, which is 3 squared, which you can write 9 by 4. Again plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 2. So minus, you can multiply the minus sign, minus into minus, which will be plus 1 by 4. Again minus into plus is minus 7 by 2. So again you can have here minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 3 squared, which is nothing but 9 by 2 plus 3 minus, minus into minus, which is plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Again minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. So what and all, it will be getting cancelled. After simplification, this one you are going to get it as, the answer will be, After evaluating everything, see here minus 9 by 4, minus 9 by 4 is there. So here plus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 will get cancelled. So you are going to remain with 3 by 2 into 2, 2 will get cancelled, 3. So minus 9 by 4 plus 21 divided by 2, again minus 7 by 2, again minus 9 by 4, minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Now let us take the LCM here. Let me write it as it is. 3 minus 9 by 4, again plus 21 by 2, again minus 7 by 2, minus 9 by 4, minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So if you take it as here, minus 9 by 4, minus 9 by 4 is nothing but 3 minus 2 times of 9 by 4. Again, my plus 21 divided by 2 minus 3 by 2, which will become minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So you can take here 1 by 2 common. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, which will become 3 minus. So here the LCM will be is equals to 1 by 2, correct? So we can write it as 3 plus 21 divided by 2 minus 9 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So which will be giving you 3 plus 1 by 2 is the LCM. So 21 minus 9 minus 3 minus 1. So which will be giving you the value 21. So here minus 9 minus 3 minus 1 minus 10 minus 13. So 21 minus 13 is, so you are going to get it as 3 plus 8 divided by 2, which is nothing but 3 plus 4, 7 square units. So see dear student, if you solve this one together, you will be getting total confused. So let me solve one by one. First let me solve this and then let me substitute back and then we'll be solving together. Okay. So here first equation let me solve. So which will become, see, 3 by 2 into x into dx is x squared. So first let me solve. What is that? First let me solve equation 1. I am calling equation 1. So here you can have 3 by 2 into, so 3 by 2 into x squared divided by 2 plus 1 into dx is x from the limit minus 1 to 1. So let me apply the upper limit first. So 3 by 2 into x squared, that is applying the upper limit 1 by 2 plus 1, again minus 3 by 2 into applying the lower limit minus 1 squared is here. See, minus 1 squared is 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Got? So which implies that 3 by 2 you can bring outside, which will be half plus 1, again minus half. Here minus into minus plus 1. So you are going to get minus half plus half will get cancelled. Remaining answer is 1 plus 1, which is 3 by 2 into 2, which is nothing but 3. Okay. So this you have to remember. Next let me solve the second one. This one. See, if you multiply minus half into x is minus half x, minus into minus is plus, plus half plus, what is that? Here you are having 3 plus half plus 3 is nothing but 7. So you can have multiplying minus inside, so which will be giving you 7 by 2. Now if you solve this one, let us multiply half inside, which will become, x will be varying from 1 to 3. So see here minus half into x is minus half x. Again here minus half into minus 1 is plus half plus 3. Now you can take the LCM as 2. So which will become half plus 3 is nothing but what? 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 first I am writing minus x by 2 into dx. Now you can take half common factor 1 to 3. So which will become 1 by 2 into integral x will be varying from 1 to 3, 7 minus x into dx. Now you can simplify 1 by 2 into 7 minus x is 7x minus x square divided by 2. X will be varying from 1 to 3. Now apply the upper limit first by taking half common factor. Upper limit is 7 into 3. 7 into 3 minus 3 square divided by 2. Lower limit is 7 into 1 minus 1 square divided by 2. Correct? This is what the lower limit. Now further simplification gives you what? So half as it is. So here 7 3s are 21 minus 9 divided by 2. So 21 divided by 9 by 2. 21 minus 9 by 2 minus 7 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Now which will become 1 by 2 into, I can take 21 minus 7 gives you 14. So 14, here if you take LCM as 2, minus 9 plus 1 is nothing but 8, minus 8 by 2 which is nothing but minus 4, correct? So 14 minus 4 gives you 10, 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. So therefore 5 units. Now let us solve the equation of AC, correct? That is the equation 3, correct? So what is the equation 3? Half. So half into integral of x will be varying from what? Minus 1 to 3. So see here x into dx is x plus 1 into dx. Let me solve this one. So which implies that 1 by 2 into x square divided by 2 plus 1 into dx is x. From the limit what? From the limit x will be varying minus 1 to 3. Right? So applying the upper limit first, half as it is, applying the upper limit x squared, that is 3 square divided by 2 plus 3, again applying the lower limit, so which will be minus 1 squared is 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Now you can multiply inside, which will be 1 by 2 into 3 squared is 9 by 2 plus 3 minus 1 by 2, minus into minus is plus 1. Now here 3 plus 1 is 4, 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2, as we know 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4. So 1 by 2 into, so 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2 gives you 8 by 2, 8 by 2 is nothing but 4, 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. So 4 plus 4 is nothing but 8, so which will be giving you 8 by 2, so which is nothing but 4, correct? So 8 because 1 by 2. So again you are having, substituting back to the equation, what is that? Area. So area will be is equal to, what is that? So I am taking equation 1 plus equation 2 answer minus equation 3 answer, correct? So what is equation 1 answer? Equation 1 you are getting it as 3. So 3 plus equation 2 is 5 minus equation 3 is 4. So 3 plus 5 is 8 minus 4. So the answer you are going to get it as 8 minus 4 is square units. 4 square units. And this is your final answer for the question. If you want, you can solve it like this, dear students. So dears, I hope you understood how to solve the problems based on the two curves. And this finishes your applications of integrals. In the next, we will be moving on to vector algebra, which is a very important chapter of your examinations. Until then, keep watching. Have a nice day. Thank you, dear students.